Hi friend, Marian Santos here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. So, galing po tayo sa Robinson's Base Iloilo. So, may book sale po doon. So, syempre, hindi natin matitiis na to drop by. So, ito po. We were able to buy Life, Paint, and Passion. So, ano ba yan? Reclaiming the Magic of Spontaneous Expression. Parang, yan, inspiration sa iyong journey as an artist. Yan. So, mahilig po tayo, diba, during the pandemic, parang craft. Ano tayo, watercolor, acrylic paints, ano pa ba, oil pastel, colored pencil, ang dami po nating mga medium na sa bahay in Bulacan na kailangan nating, ano kaya yan, we bought this. Ma-inspire tayo to continue with our art journey. Maging inner artist ba ang tawag dyan. So, yan. Para lalo pa rin tayong, be able to handle all the challenges dito sa ating everyday. So, ayan. Life, paint, and passion. So, sana magamit natin sa ating artist journey ang ating book. Ayan po. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next